Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics. We're working on a 2017 F150 Platinum. Changed out the LEDs here that are on the little factory LEDs that go around the lights. We have a little app so we can change colors with them. Let's see if I can get this in here, but you can actually spin this around, change the colors. You can do like solid, fade, strobe. So you can put it on fade. It'll fade in and out. There's a little speed thing here. Turn that up and it'll fade faster. Turn it down. Takes a little bit longer to fade. Put it on strobe. Turn the speed up on the strobe. Speed down. Then it has little themes, so you can pick some different colors. And it'll basically fade through those themes. If you turn the speed up, you go faster through them. So if you want it red and blue, red, white, and blue. Then it has the favorites. So if you just want solid colors, so I set some of these as a solid color, blue, purple. You just hit apply to all. And then what's really cool is when you put the blinkers on, it blinks the whole thing, changes to amber, and it blinks with the blinker. But if you're interested in a set of these, give us a call, 904-333-2322. Check us out on Instagram at AudioDesign75. We're in Jacksonville, Florida, if you want to come check us out.